Yo, what it is, FBL fan. All right, yo, we got your boy over here. Y'all know who it is. We got 392 season over here one more time.
Upgrade time, baby.
We got y'all favorite Charger over here. Oh, and guess what? We still ain't did this. The boy upgraded since for the last time y'all seen it on the channel, so he got them 6 pistons up front now. And he said they definitely grab a lot better, but I ain't had a chance to drive it yet. We gonna do that, but that's not what we're doing right now. Right now, we got another addition. The boy about to add to the Scatty. So what we got, man? Holla at us.
We got them long tools, baby.
Okay, got some long tools. But what kind of long tools we got?
Stainless works.
Stainless works. So that boy say he wasn't playing, you know, it's stainless works, you know, it costs a little penny.
Well, and I find out
I would have been waiting 3 more years for Speed Engineering to make something before I bought some.
Hey, they cost so much because they got a lifetime warranty on them.
Okay.
That's why.
All right. And
anything happen to them, wheels, leaks.
But what was the main thing that you was thinking about?
Craftsmanship.
But what was you, like there was this one thing in particular you kept mentioning to me that you didn't want to happen when you put headers on here.
Leak.
Well, that ain't what I'm thinking about, but I guess that's what he was thinking about. You told me you ain't want to bottoming out. You ain't want to be. Like,
yeah. And so basically what happened was I was gonna get some JBAs, and I was on the fence about getting those because they didn't come with a high flow caddy mid pipe. So I kind of wanted to stay legal, but you know what I'm saying, increase the flow a little bit too. So I started digging more research, and JBA. This car is lower, so JBA headers clear. You ain't gotta worry about that shit here. You know what I'm saying? So you go speed bump, they just fall in line where they need to be. They don't hang low like Cooks and all of those. Even though Cooks make a great product though.
So let's take a look at them, man. Let's see what them things look like, man. Now, what's the I know you looked at them all, cause he just like me. Whenever we get ready to buy something like this, we gonna look at every option, weigh it out, and if the most expensive one is the one that we need to get, then that's what's gonna happen. You know. Sure. But if we find a better solution that's not gonna cost as much money, or at least if the amount of money that something costs is not worth the performance gain that you get, or whatever the gain it is that you get over spending that much more money, don't make sense, then we ain't gonna do it. So what was the other, if you said you would JBA, but JBA and these, that price wise is a big difference. So who else making something that is equivalent or supposed to be close to these that you heard when you was looking? Anybody?
Stainless power, but stainless power is a stainless works.
Okay.
As well. It's just come with a 2-year warranty.
Okay.
You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And
so you say you want to.
I started to go BBK, but I really wasn't sure about those. They look good, and I see people running those. So you know.
You seen any horsepower? Was you able to pull up any horsepower numbers from people who had different ones?
That 392, that white Charger that's on Can I Be Frame Page? That's what he running, BBK.
Okay.
And that car moving pretty good.
That car is, in the same.
They say they shortest. Well, somebody ain't telling me something.
Somebody lying somewhere, man.
Somebody ain't telling me something.
But you say you want to take it out? You want to take the box out?
Yeah, I'm going to have to.
All right. You take it out by yourself, you need my help.
Yeah, I don't know if everything is there or not. You know what I mean?
Okay.
I know what's supposed to be here.
Hold on. I can give you a hand on the other side.
Yep. It's supposed to be here. Let's see what we got.
Christmas in April, baby.
See them high flows right here.
Man, yeah, that caught my attention. It's subtle differences with stuff like this. Like, if I spend some money on some damn headers. Yeah, please laser etch me some shit on there that ain't nobody gonna ever see again, but at least I seen it, and I know it look like quality. But he got the high flow cat, so he went the catalytic converter route with these. We do stay where
and
emissions is prevalent.
And the car still gonna throw a code. But that blew me.
Yeah, I don't understand that part.
I gotta find out about that.
Yeah, I hadn't looked at that myself, but he's saying even though he got bought high flow cats with these headers, it's still gonna throw a check engine code. If y'all know why, let us know. Drop that in the comments.
Good. I even tell you what side to go on. Look at this right here.
I tell you what, you try to put them on the other side if you want to.
You're gonna have a bad time.
So that merge, you said that merge collector right there, that's the type of stuff you're gonna have on high quality set of headers. A nice merge collector. And you also should have really clean wheels on something like this.
Anything came with some.
He bought the package with the O2 extenders and everything, so he wouldn't have any trouble hooking those up.
So I wonder if I actually needed them. If I was playing with it, came some clamps too. He just gave you. Oh, well. I tell you what, you try to put it on the other side. Oh man.
You'll find out real quick which one you got. But in this new age, you know, you can't be too careful. People so stupid. Huh?
I think not as heavy either. I guess that's
no, yeah, that's another benefit to getting headers, is you're gonna reduce some weight from the components that you're taking off. You gotta think that catalytic convert, he's gonna take off. That's why. You're getting rid of 2 catalytic converters on each side. That's why you're gonna throw a code. So you're getting rid of two catalytic converters, going down to that one small one, getting rid of all of that cast shit, going to stainless steel. What is the is it stainless?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So a lot of weight savings, a lot of power. This is one of the best things you can do for anything naturally aspirated, is get you a set of headers.
ASAP. He just made this boy. I remember when I first got this car, and I was lying to him about I wasn't gonna do this, I wasn't gonna do this. He was like, okay.
Yeah.
And I did everything that he said I was gonna do.
Once you have something, man.
Like you should be. Yeah, I did it. You did it all right. I'm proud of you.
Especially if you know, I don't know, if you're a car guy and you just really like this stuff, you got to tinker with it. You got to make yours different from the rest of it.
But
you got to stand out a little bit.
For sure, we're gonna have we're gonna keep y'all informed and updated on what all happens for the install process. We got a couple of people in mind who are gonna be doing the install. We haven't just narrowed her down yet, so I say we because it's basically his car and
yeah, it's just like it's both ours. Keep it down at my house. Cool.
And
we've been building it together. Shit.
Yeah, for real. At least the channel is, as far as the channel goes, everybody's been seeing progress on it. Been able to do that. What I was about to ask you was the primaries and the collector. The size, you remember?
Inch 7/8.
Okay.
The collector 3 inch.
3 inch. It looked like a 3-inch collector.
Mm-hmm. Which
is what you want.
Coming straight back to my 3 inches off. This car came what, 2 3/4 or something like that?
I'm not sure. It looked like
it
was
bigger.
At least 2.5. Yeah, at least 2.5, but it was 2.5, 2 3/4 exhaust seat. Got that MBRP resonated exhaust on here.
So
I can't wait to hear this coming off of them stainless works. It's gonna sound so good, man. And it's gonna be different.
Very different.
I don't know if somebody else has this combination. Probably somebody out there has it. Maybe on YouTube, maybe not. But we bringing it to you right here, and we'll know what it sounds like for sure. Get some more of those rollers.
Oh yeah.
Look, Jigga calling me. What up, bro? What's poppin'? You about to go ahead and do what? Oh, okay. Hold on. Let me pull my phone out. All right, I got you now, Jigga.
All right, baby. I was saying you go try to make it Sunday?
Hell yeah, I'm coming.
Oh,
I'm off on Sunday. I can do that on Sunday. Even yeah, I'm definitely gonna come and get that footage and everything.
oh yeah, it's well.
So we went over to 392 Seasons house today. Check out the stainless works headers that he's putting on his car. I know those are going to sound amazing on that 392 Charger. It's gonna make it stand out from anything else we've been hearing, because most people that have those cars, they do the mid muffler delete. It's a very common sound. If you hear a 392 and it's loud, doesn't really have any real character to the sound, it's probably mid muffler delete. 392 Season was tired of that, so he went with those 3-inch MBRP exhaust, mandrel bent, sounds amazing. Okay, I don't know what's going on. Anyway, it sounds amazing. You know what that was? Sound like they got something crazy going on there. But that MBRP exhaust paired up with these new stainless works headers is going to be, it's going to be great. And that's going to be the next video that you guys will see. So hit that subscribe button so you guys don't miss it. I know you guys love this Charger content. This is some stuff that you might be wanting to do to your car, or you should be thinking about doing to your car if you got one, because definitely a hell of an upgrade. But till next time, y'all come holler at me. And LNS, man, like, share, and subscribe. Tell your friends to tell a friend. Let's get this up. Let's go. All right, y'all.